So guys, we're out here. We're getting ready for the nor'easter of 2020. We've got all the machines fired up, ready to go. We're going to get some video footage of us doing some in-action shots per se, and then you'll get to see these bad boys in action. Those are huge loaders with 20-foot boxes on them. Well, here we go. Start of the storm. Just barely flurrying. It's around 11:30, but we got the guys out there and they're getting started. So we'll keep you guys posted and see what this thing has to bring. Man, she is dumping. Cody, have you been out to B at all?
What's that?
Have you been to B at all? Okay, finish up what you're doing and then please hit B. Hey, the 724 John Deere's windshield wiper flew off the side of the machine. I guess it's stuck and isn't working now.
Okay.
Well guys, I gotta try to find a road here. And you know, it's funny is everyone says a Tundra can't plow, but these things are pretty big, pretty tanks. These things are basically tanks, I should say. It's been a few hours, so I guess I'm getting a little slurred with my words. Kind of hard to formulate a sentence, but this thing is just a beast, man. Like, I'm going through huge snow drifts. Look, you can see the snow just starting to come over the front of the truck. That's no joke, guys. I've been in a lot of trucks and not all of them can do this. And the best part is it's a Toyota. They just do what they're supposed to do consistently. None of the drama, none of But yeah, now how's everything going with the other sites?
Everything else seems alright. I gotta.
Alright guys, it's been a long storm, but we made it to the end. I'd say we probably got about a foot of snow with some about 3 hours of icing and also, sleet. I'm gonna just drive around and show you a little bit about some of the piles that we got moved and all piled up. These are some of the smaller ones in the site. Obviously you can see that there is a ton of truck traffic here as well, which does definitely add to the complexity of the snow removal operation in general. But you can see we got some piles and stuff everywhere. All piled up. Crew's working on moving in the snow pile now to just prep for some future snowstorms as well. Sorry, this guy rolled a stop sign on me. I'll take you up here and continue to show you a little bit about what we got going on. Got some machine stuff in these piles, like I said. Looking good. So typically up here is where we have our biggest problem. We pushed it over the side there to take advantage of it, but there's a curb there we got to hop, so we can't finish our push like we normally would and just push it over the edge. So we usually push all the snow into a big pile, and at the end take the bucket off the 921 loader and just push it over the edge to just give us some more room for future events, so we don't have a problem with snow coming the whole way out here into the section. You can see the guys did a nice job finishing that up as well. Obviously we come down here to the entrance, and you got some employee lots up top there. They're all cleaned up, got some nice piles pushed back up there. But in general, I mean, we look really good, guys. This was a tough storm. We got compliments from management saying how well we handled it, and you know, it's really a team effort when it comes down to this. You got to realize that we have 10 guys here, and you know, the facility we're working with, they have about 4 or 5 guys that are also involved in cleaning it all up and keeping everything moving. But you can see the size of some of these piles, guys. This was no joke. Nice snowstorm, but again, you know, our team did great. So thank you for watching, and we appreciate it. If you need any snow removal, if you have any snow removal needs in the central Pennsylvania area, you know, we're your guys.